Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's hard to believe, but my newborn is not really a newborn anymore. She's 3 months and just started daycare this week. So before she gets too big for me to talk about newborn favorites, I figured I better make this video. So I'm intentionally not titling this video Newborn Essentials, because those would be, at least in my definition, things like pack and play, strollers, and cribs, which of course are really essential for newborns. However, in today's video, I wanted to focus on some of the fun stuff, my absolute favorites that I've enjoyed both from my current little one, but also my previous 3 children as well. A lot of these I received as amazing baby gifts, and I think would make really, really great gift ideas if you're also looking to give somebody a baby gift as well. So if you like these kind of videos, please go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. So the first item I wanted to mention is the only item I have in the baby care category, and that would be the Honest Company Organic Body Oil. So this is a multi-purpose oil that is great for moisturization, but what I really love it for with my kids is to help with cradle cap. So all of my kids actually had this problem. So what cradle cap refers to is a dandruff-like condition that affects primarily the scalp, hence the name cradle cap, but my kids also do often get dry patches on other parts of their skin as well. This oil is very, very moisturizing and very gentle for babies, and I even like to use it on my own skin too. So I think it's a very nice multi-purpose, very gentle baby oil, which we definitely use a lot of in this household at least. So my first product to mention was this really great Honest baby oil. The next items that are my favorites throughout all 4 pregnancies and children are items from the Skip Hop line, and they make so many different amazing products, but I think their quality is just outstanding, and their baby line items are very, very versatile and also look cute as well. So I have a set here that I've really enjoyed, and the first one is this little cooler bag that I use for bottles. So it's a simple zip cooler bag, and it's insulated with a pocket on the inside. But I use this every single day. I use it to take my newborn's baby bottles to her daycare, and I put a little ice pack in there, and it keeps it cold for a few hours. I also take it every day to work, so when I go and pump at work, I go ahead and put the extra milk bottles in this bag as well. So it's very versatile, and I use it on a daily basis. It has a nice little carry handle if needed. And I also love the matching wet dry bag as well. So there are many of these types of products on the market, but really, really handy if you have little kids. You put their dry, change your clothes in the front mesh pocket here. And the top zip is the wipeable line pocket. So great for dirty items to just throw in there. So really I keep this stocked with their change of clothes and just leave it in the car at all times. And this has really saved us from many sticky situations. So I just love this brand of products from the Skip Hop line. So this next item is a huge versatile tote from the company Perspection. And I have given this as a baby gift many, many times, and all the recipients just love it. It's just a versatile, huge, lightweight tote that you can use for so many different things, but comes in especially handy if you have little kids. The most common thing I use it for is for laundry, and it's a huge open tote. So I got really tired of carrying around those huge, bulky plastic laundry baskets. I thought this was a great alternative. It's really easy to throw over your shoulder, and it carries as much, if not more, than those plastic bins. So that's the #1 thing I use it for. This bag also can fold down as such. So I put this in the kids' rooms, and they have a great time playing basketball and throwing their clothes into the top of this. You can also use it for toy storage as well. So we use this bag a lot outside of the home as well, and I use it to go to picnics, to take items to potlucks, to carry extra baby items as a diaper bag, to go to the beach. But we also quite often use it to travel as well, so it's a lot more handy to throw our kids' clothes in here and shove this into our car if we're taking a road trip versus putting all their clothes into a more structured suitcase or luggage. Those items definitely don't fit into the car as nicely as a real foldable, squishy bag like this. So this has been great as essentially a luggage or carry-on bag for our kids. So many uses, really great gift idea. You can use this as a gift bag as I've done before and throw other items in there, and it makes a really cute presentation as well. And I just got this particular version, but it comes in so many different colors as well, and we have probably 10 of them lying around our house. And this model also came with a cute little matching insulated tote as well. The next item, believe it or not, I only picked up about a month ago and have not used this with my other 3 kids, but it is a car seat cover. So I'm sure you've probably seen these before. It's just a knit fabric. You hook it over the top of the car seat and can stretch it over the baby. So protecting the baby from the sun, from the cold, rain, and even protecting her from just public exposure in general. And it also doubles as a nursing cover. So you can just pop this over your head and nurse your little one underneath it. But just a really inexpensive but very, very versatile product. I got mine on Amazon. You can get them so many different places. But really now an essential for me, and I really hadn't bought one prior to this past month. So something that I definitely am going to continue to get great use out of going forward. So next item I actually got from one of my best friends as a baby gift. And I was telling her how I was having some difficulty getting our newborn down to sleep at night. So she suggested this next item, and it's from the company Nested Bean. So it's a really cute sleep sack that zippers. And for all of you parents out there, you know that the zippered onesies or sleep sacks are a whole lot easier to use than the snap versions or the button versions. So first of all, I love the zipper part here, but also what makes this product really, really unique is it has this weighted section here, kind of like a bean bag. So the idea is with the weight on the baby's chest, the baby feels more comforted and is able to fall asleep more easily. And this actually worked for us. So we definitely use this most evenings now with her, and she is sleeping a lot better through the night now. And the idea really is similar to all those weighted blankets that I know are really popular now. It's the same idea here, where you have the extra weight that provides some extra comfort to the baby's chest. So something to definitely check out if you're having trouble getting your little one down in the evenings. So next item is definitely a very fun baby gift to give somebody, and something that I probably wouldn't have purchased on my own because of the price point, but as a baby gift, I thought it was a really great idea. So the item is this North Face baby jacket. So super cute, fuzzy, pink jacket, great quality, as I'm sure you know of this brand. And again, something that I wouldn't necessarily splurge on my own, just because, I mean, does a baby really need a North Face jacket? But if you get this as a gift, it's something that you really, really appreciate. And I think that's what's nice about gift giving, is you can give somebody something that they wouldn't normally want to purchase on their own. So I thought a great idea for a really cute baby splurge. So no baby favorites video would be without some type of stuffed animal or blankie included. So I have a few of my favorites here. And the first are from the line Barefoot Dreams. So if you haven't seen my Barefoot Dreams collection video, I will link it down for you below. But I just love this company. And this company first started out making baby products. So baby blankets, baby outfits, and stuffed animals. So I have a few of those that I've tried out from the line, which I think would make amazing gifts. So the first are these blankets. So it's made out of their really plush, cozy chic light material. And this one is attached to a little doggy, but they have so many different varieties available. But again, these are such cute baby gifts, and all of my kids have their own little special blankies, and they just love them. And it's really great quality, and have held up really, really well throughout the years. So I would definitely recommend checking out this line for some cute baby gifts. And with my current newborn, I finally decided to splurge on one of the Barefoot Dreams stuffed animals. So prior to her, I hadn't purchased any of them, but I purchased this for her when she was born, and it's just adorable little pink heathered whale made out of the cozy chic fabrication. And it's safe for newborns. There are no hard parts. The eyes are just stitched, and there's nothing hard that could hurt them. So it's something really cute that we leave in her crib with her. And it's hard to tell at this age if she's really, really enjoying it or not, but I enjoy looking at it in her crib, so that's all that matters right now, I think. But just a really cute baby item, and a really, really great gift idea. Something that most parents probably wouldn't necessarily splurge on for their own little one, but once received, I think they would really, really appreciate it. And the final item I also received as a very generous gift from one of my friends, and had never seen it before, so I wanted to share it with you. So it's this cute little elephant, and I think they have a couple other animals as well, but it sings along with your newborn. So for instance,
hello, baby. Peekaboo is most fun with you. Where'd you go, Peekaboo?
So it plays peekaboo and talks to your little baby, and also,
hello, baby. Let's sing together. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to
So isn't that just adorable? Such a cute gift. I had never seen it before. It's made by Guns, so the plush is super soft and it really keeps our newborn engaged. And she's currently starting to track now and can really follow along, I think, with what's going on a little more. So really, really cute gift idea. So that brings me to the end of my newborn or infant favorites video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the items I've enjoyed over the past 7 years since I've had kids. And I hope that you've also got maybe some ideas for baby gifts that you need for friends and family that are expecting. Please let me know down below if you have any great baby gift ideas that you've had before or have given to others. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. Otherwise, I will plan to see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!